Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to edit PDF files with Lumin PDF Online. So here we're currently on Lumin PDF and you can see some options for quick actions. So we're going to click on Edit a PDF. So you're going to choose the location for this document. We're going to choose from My Device and then select the document. Click on Open. It's going to take a moment to upload. And now the document has been uploaded. We're going to click on it. So right here we have our PDF and it's a class attendance document. We're going to zoom in. So as we have this document right here, you can go ahead and click on the Edit PDF button right here. And this is for the business or pro plan, so you'll need to be aware of this. However, there are some other options such as using the signature. We can click on signature right here and then click on add a signature. For your signature, you can decide to draw your signature, add an image or type it in. Let's try to do something like this. Click on save. And then right here, you can see how you can use Lumin to add your signature. So that has been added. You could go ahead and click on a part of the document, decide to highlight the text, change the color if you want to. And also you can go ahead and type. You could go over to type, click on it, then come over to an area you'd like to add some text and say present. You can shrink this up and put it right there. But as you can see, the present is not really fitting in, so you can use an acronym. So by clicking here, you're going to say P for present, click away, and you can move this anywhere you want to. So we have P right there, and you can repeat the process for other parts of this document. So with Lumin PDF, you can edit documents, which is of course on the paid plan, and you can use the signed signature, add comment, or type in anything you want to on this document. So this is how to edit files with Lumin PDF Online.